Tutorial 2 3D PDF with Revit models exported to DWF files. In this video, you are going to learn to insert in the PDF file your models created with Revit. You may insert in the PDF file 3D models coming from Revit in the DWF, DWFx or DWG formats. If possible, choose DWF or DWFx formats, ideal for 3D PDF when handling also large projects. In Revit, enable the default 3D view and export the project to a DWF or DWFx file without modifying options, or ask to do so your supplier of a 3D model. Click on Settings. We are going to enable some options before proceeding to importing the 3D model. In the General Settings, select blue as the background color for the 3D View dialog box. Uncheck the box Show the dialog box correct orientation, which is normally enabled by default for some formats. In the tab Default 3D Settings, in the 3D Settings section, drag the slider of Light Multiplier, setting it to 1. Finally, for lighting scheme, set CAD Optimized Lights, and for rendering style, set Solid, then confirm with OK. In the 3D PDF Maker, open the PDF file Tutorial 1.3 and zoom it properly. Press Add 3D to select an area for your model insertion. Without changing the default settings, click on Convert from File and from the Revit folder select the file Bauhaus rs.dwfx. Please wait. Handling a real model of substantial size will take more time. On slow PCs, it may take even a few minutes. The 3D View dialog opens with the model correctly oriented. Click in the 3D View dialog and adjust the zoom with the mouse scroll wheel. Finally, save it by clicking on the green checkmark icon in the top left corner. The 3D model has been imported in the PDF file. Click on Show Preview with Adobe Reader. The PDF file has been opened in Adobe Reader. Holding down the left mouse button, move it horizontally to rotate the model. You have created your first 3D PDF file with an architectural project exported to the DWFx format. Now click in the menu on the button with the house icon to go back to the default view. Click the Fly button, the one with the airplane icon, to enable the navigation option, and slightly move the mouse to enter the house through the door and look around inside the building. Again, in the menu, click on the button with the house icon to go back to the default view. If you want, you can save your 3D PDF file with the name you wish in the folder My 3D PDF, located in your user folder Documents 3D PDF Maker StandAlone. Now quit Adobe Reader, go back to 3D PDF Maker and close the PDF file without saving it by clicking the red icon with the cross in the top right corner. Before exiting 3D PDF Maker, restore the default values. Check the box Show the dialog box correct orientation and restore the background color, setting it back to white for the 3D View box. In the tab Default 3D Settings, for Light Multiplier, drag the slider to set the value to. Choose for Render Style Solid Outline, then confirm with OK. At the end of this video, close the tutorial window. You'll be able to access tutorials whenever you want by clicking on the relative button in the toolbar or on the Open Tutorial panel.